How do you use Trading 212? Well, the best way to find out is to actually use it. Get yourself registered, deposit say £20, and you can start from there. When you use the Trading 212 platform, you've got three options. You've got Trading 212 Invest, Trading CFD, and Trading 212 ISA. The one I suggest, or actually tell you must use, is the Trading 212 Invest. Do not use the CFD. This is contract for difference. This is most people who use this, or people who use this, at least 70% of them lose money. So just stick to Trading 212 Invest, and you can follow me on my YouTube channel, where I've made a series of small videos where you can watch me actually analyze shares, talk about shares, deposit, invest and sell and buy shares. If you just sort of skim through my channel, and that is You Are Moving Up, all one word, no space or dots. If you type that into the YouTube search, you'll come up with my channel, where I've got numerous videos, little short videos showing you what I've done, so you can learn as you go along by looking at my videos. But as I say, the best thing to do is actually open an account, put £20 in and buy a share or a fraction of a share. You can get some ideas from what I've done on my videos. Also, you can go to my website, which is www.youaremovingup.com. So if you go to either of those, you'll get some idea of what I'm doing. And this is a quick look at my portfolio. As you say, I've been investing for some time now, and I've got £8,945. But this is going to be my pension, so I'm sort of actively investing. At the moment, my actual fund is down 2.12%, but if you scroll through, many of my shares are up and some are down. Say for example here, 2x Alphabet, which is Google shares, they're up 41%. It's all in alphabetical order, so but that will come in time. Just put £20 in. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, You Are Moving Up, and have a look at my website, www.youaremovingup. Follow what I've done. Well, not follow what I've done, look at what I've done. Loads of videos. They'll give you some idea, and actually take the plunge, put £20 in a Trading 212 account, and buy a share. And as soon as you have actually got a share in a company, you actually own a part of the company, that will actually heighten your interest. So if you've got any questions or comments, please put them in the YouTube comment box, or you can send me a question through my website, which I said is down there, and I've mentioned it before, www.youaremovingup.com, or my YouTube channel is You Are Moving Up. So I hope it has been of interest, and as I said, any questions I welcome. Till next time, I bid you a very goodbye.